This is the Pocket 4, and this one here is the highly anticipated Pocket 4 Zoom Edition, also known as the Pocket 4P. If we cover the gimbal section, you can see that the bottom halves of both devices are basically identical. The main difference comes from the camera module at the top. As you can see, the camera module on the Pocket 4P is significantly larger than the one on the standard Pocket 4. You can also spot some differences in the UI between the two products. The standard Pocket 4 displays the zoom multiplier here on the right side. Meanwhile, the Pocket 4P displays the default 1x and 3x zoom options down here at the bottom. Let's try zooming in using this newly added zoom button. With a single click, the Pocket 4 on the left zooms to 2x, while this one jumps straight to 3x. You can take a look and compare the image quality of both devices after zooming. The usability at 3x zoom is still very high. With this dual camera module on the Pocket 4P combined with the new zoom button, both the efficiency and quality of zooming have indeed improved a lot. The zoom on the Pocket 4P utilizes a design that combines two prime lenses. This allows it to achieve a larger aperture. Combined, it essentially delivers the overall shooting effect of a 24 to 70 millimeter lens paired with a stabilizer. Packing this kind of standard cinematic productivity equipment into such a compact body is probably a first in history. Besides the addition of a telephoto lens, the CMOS sensor on the main camera is also different from the standard Pocket 4. It has been upgraded as well. The dynamic range of its main camera is now wider than that of the standard Pocket 4. Therefore, its low light performance is definitely something to look forward to. Now that it has a large sensor main camera and a telephoto lens, along with the added ability to shoot live photos directly, it's safe to say that among current portable devices, those that can shoot live photos don't match its optical quality, and those with better optical quality cannot yet shoot live photos this easily and quickly. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.